The impact driver Harbor Freight sells for $69.99 delivers more torque than the Milwaukee M18 Fuel at Home Depot for $149. The circular saw at 149 cuts more times per charge than the Milwaukee at 279. Both come with a 5-year warranty. And the only thing Milwaukee still has that Hercules doesn't is the reason most pros will never switch, and the reason new ones might not bother. Harbor Freight Tools operates over 1,400 stores across 48 states. The company generates an estimated $7 to $8.5 billion in annual revenue. It is not a premium retailer. It is not pretending to be one. Its entire model is built around delivering tools at prices that make the major brands uncomfortable. And for most of its history, that discomfort was manageable because the quality gap was real enough to justify the price difference. Hercules is Harbor Freight's answer to the question of what happens when the quality gap closes. It is the company's premium line, positioned explicitly to match Milwaukee and DeWalt on performance and beat them on price. The tool that launched that campaign cost $69.99. The tool it is directly competing with costs more than twice that, and Harbor Freight is not being subtle about the comparison. The Hercules 20-volt impact driver page on Harbor Freight's website names the Milwaukee M18 Fuel as the reference point. The price difference is printed on the shelf tag. The question is, what exactly sits on Milwaukee's side of that gap? To understand why the price difference exists and what it is actually paying for, you need to understand what Milwaukee is selling that Harbor Freight is not. Milwaukee Tool is owned by Tektronic Industries, a Hong Kong-based conglomerate with over $13 billion in annual worldwide sales. The M18 platform covers more than 250 individual tools, from the drills and impact drivers that form the entry point of every contractor's toolkit to PX expansion tools used by plumbers, hydraulic crimpers used by electricians, pipe threaders, thermal cameras, and bandsaw variants that have no equivalent in any other brand's lineup at any price. The M18 battery is the key. A contractor who owns 6 M18 batteries owns the access credential to every one of those tools. The platform is not a product. It is an ecosystem, and Milwaukee has spent more than 2 decades building it deep enough that leaving costs more than staying. That is what the price premium funds. Not just a better drill. The right to use the next Milwaukee tool without buying a new set of batteries to run it. Here is where the story stops being about what Hercules costs and starts being about what Milwaukee's warranty actually delivers. Both Hercules and Milwaukee offer a 5-year limited warranty on their brushless tools. On paper, the coverage is equivalent. In practice, the fulfillment is not. A Hercules tool that fails under warranty is exchanged over the counter at any Harbor Freight location. Walk in with the broken tool. Walk out with a working one. Same day. A Milwaukee tool that fails under warranty goes to a service center. The process involves scheduling, shipping or drop-off, assessment, and a 2 to 4 week wait for repair or replacement. For a homeowner, that wait is inconvenient. For a working contractor who cannot be without a tool on Monday morning, that wait has a dollar value attached to it. The Hercules warranty does not just match Milwaukee's coverage period. It eliminates the friction that makes claiming that coverage costly. And that distinction is one that almost no comparison review on the internet bothers to calculate. If you are finding this useful, subscribe now. The pricing structure behind professional tool brands is almost never explained to the people buying on the job site. The ones that get explained are almost always the most consequential. Here is where the numbers require a second look, because the tool price is not the full price. A Milwaukee M18 extended capacity 5 amp-hour battery pack costs $169. The Hercules 20-volt 5 amp-hour equivalent costs $74.99. That is a $94 gap per battery. A contractor equipping a 2-person crew with 4 batteries on each platform spends $676 on Milwaukee batteries or $299.96 on Hercules batteries. The battery premium alone, across 4 packs, is $376. That is before the first tool is purchased. And Milwaukee batteries wear out. They degrade over charge cycles. They get left on job sites. They get stolen. Every replacement battery is another iteration of the same $94 gap. The Pro-Tax is not a one-time payment at the point of tool purchase. It is a recurring cost embedded in the platform for as long as the contractor stays on M18. The argument Milwaukee makes, and it is a legitimate argument, is that the M18 Fuel ecosystem is deeper, more powerful at the extreme end, and better supported by a service infrastructure that a professional who depends on their tools cannot afford to be without. Pro Tool Reviews, which tests tools for a contractor audience, found that Milwaukee maintains meaningful advantages in sustained torque under extreme load and in the specialized trade tools that have no Hercules equivalent. An electrician who needs a hydraulic knockout tool, a plumber who needs an M18 PEX expansion tool, a contractor who has spent 5 years building an M18 fleet does not throw that away for a $69 impact driver. The ecosystem moat is real. The question is whether it is permanent. A contractor who already owns 12 M18 batteries and 30 tools built around them is not switching to Hercules. The math does not work and the access cost is too high. That contractor stays on Red for the same reason a software company stays on a platform that is not quite right, because the switching cost exceeds the benefit of the alternative. But that is the existing contractor. The contractor who is outfitting a truck for the first time in 2026 does not have 12 M18 batteries. They have no inertia. They walk into a Harbor Freight. They see a brushless impact driver with 2,200 inch-pounds of torque and a 5-year over-the-counter warranty for $69.99. And they are choosing a platform from zero. That is the calculation Hercules is designed to win. Not by converting Milwaukee loyalists, by capturing every new professional before Milwaukee gets to them first. The detail that closes this story is the one Harbor Freight is not saying out loud. The company is targeting 2,000 stores by 2027, adding 100 to 150 locations per year in markets that previously had no Harbor Freight within reasonable driving distance. Every new store is another point of first contact for a contractor who has never bought into a platform. Milwaukee's moat is deep with the contractors who are already inside it. The perimeter is where Hercules is working, and the perimeter is getting smaller every time another Harbor Freight opens its doors. If this changed how you think about what you are actually paying for the next time you buy a tool, subscribe. The pricing structure behind the brands on the shelf at Home Depot is almost never explained on the floor, but it is almost always the most interesting part of the purchase.